What's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with Davis Auto Sports to present to you guys another one of our completed XJs. This Cherokee is not up for sale. However, we're just going to show you another project that we just wrapped up for a client, getting ready to get shipped out to Oregon. I'm not showing this on a big camera with a pop filter and everything, so excuse the wind noise and poor quality. Nice, clean, simple build, trail rated, of course. This is going to have one of our new 30 over DAS engines, new cylinder head, new crank, new cam, pistons, bearings. All the internals of the engine have been upgraded. Entirely brand new cooling system to go with that new engine. We also have a completed AC system, Rubicon Express 3.5-inch lift all the way around. Drive line has also been upgraded, slip yoke eliminator, upgraded drive shaft. All the black on the Jeep is black Kevlar that we applied to it. We have our exclusive DAS 17x9 wheels, Ridge Grappler tires. All the suspension and steering have been upgraded. All the hardware on the suspension has also been upgraded, all grade 8 or grade 10 hardware. We custom flush mounted a 20-inch LED light bar up top. You can see behind the grill you have a new AC condenser, new radiator. The entire AC and heat system is new. Everything underneath this Jeep is also new. In the back, full leafs, new shocks, new bump stops, sway bar bushings. Everything's been replaced, stainless steel brake lines. Complete drive line has been fully serviced as well. Inside was rather simple. We did some basic replacement of some panels, headliner, stuff of that nature. However, we did do a full Pioneer flip out unit, upgraded speakers, backup camera, just a very, very clean, simple interior. All new hardware on all the seats and everything, of course. If you guys have any questions about any of our current builds that we're building, we always have about 4 or 5 Cherokees in the shop currently getting built to bring up on the market. We have many more getting built for clients like this. If you want to inquire about us building you a custom Cherokee per your specs, per your budget, the exact way you want it done, feel free to contact us at 855 XJ Jeeps. Thank you.